the chemical equation for the reaction between hydrogen sulfide and oxygen gas. Here's our unbalanced equation. H2S plus O2 yields H2O plus SO2. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. We'll make a table to keep track. Let's analyze each element. For hydrogen, we have 2 atoms on the left from H2S and 2 atoms on the right from H2O. Hydrogen is balanced. For oxygen, we have 2 atoms on the left from O2, but 3 atoms on the right, 1 from H2O and 2 from SO2. Oxygen is not balanced. For sulfur, we have 1 atom on each side, so sulfur is balanced. To balance this equation, we need to make the number of oxygen atoms equal on both sides. We currently have 2 oxygen atoms on the left and 3 on the right. To fix this, we can add a coefficient of 3/2 to O2. This will give us 3 oxygen atoms on the left side. However, we don't want fractions in our final balanced equation. To eliminate the fraction, we can multiply all coefficients by 2. Let's check our final balanced equation with a new table. Let's verify our balanced equation. We now have 4 hydrogen atoms on each side, 6 oxygen atoms on each side, and 2 sulfur atoms on each side. Perfect. The equation is now balanced, so our final balanced equation is 2H2S plus 3 O2 yields 2H2O plus 2 SO2. Remember, in a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides.